तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ओम श्री सद्गुरु चरण कमलेभ्यो नमः। आप सभी को शामकालीन प्रणाम। Just namaste to you all at evening hour. Today we are going for the practice of spinal health. How to sort out the problems of back, how to boost the psychological and neurological health. The musculoskeletal problem, especially confined to the back, maybe cervical spondylitis, sclerosis, kyphosis, low back pain, and the varieties of musculoskeletal problems are quite common at the contemporary scenario. I think even if I look at my students, some of them may have similar problems of backache. And you better know there are two types of nerves in the human body, cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. And these are the circuits to propagate, to transmit the electric impulses to each and every cells of the human body. And this is the key behind the sensation and the awareness. Yesterday we could practice the loosening series, and that is also called anti-rheumatic series. And of course, this is the mandatory series of practice to remove the stiffness of the musculoskeletal part of the human body and to open the joint, to enhance the mobility at the joints of the human body. So we are going for practice of the spinal care, and as I told you, this package is again very integral. I'm not sure you will find this package in a single book or not. These are extracted from different books and found beneficial for spinal care and musculoskeletal health as per my long experience of 10 years. So, if you want to practice the appropriate series of yogic postures at your individual life and want to teach or implement the same to others, especially to prevent the musculoskeletal problems, I think we have to choose this one. But we are going for the practice. So let me repeat one more thing again. The practice of postures is to be synchronized with the proper alignment, body relaxation, the breathing pattern and mental awareness. If three things get synchronized to each other, it becomes more relaxing, more tranquilizing, more soothing, and of course, the more inducing happiness, harmony. And this practice is equally beneficial to prevent the depression, insomnia, the emotional up-downs, rumination, anxiety, obsessive compulsive disorder, and of course the varieties of headaches like tension headaches, migraine, etc. And dear friends, you better know the neurological health. I mean the optimal functioning of nervous system is a crucial and a very important to regulate to regulate the all anatomical and physiological activities of the human body. So again, let me emphasize once more the package, what we are going to practice in this session is very important and I think very captivating. Let us start practice, and as I told you earlier, you need to practice postures through loosening series. What I explained yesterday in greater detail, practice myself, demonstrated same in front of you, and most of you could able to practice and feel the power and beauty of that practice. So I am skipping this one again. If you will start the practice of any postures, you have to start from the loosening series. What I have taught yesterday, if I will try to cover yesterday's package and today's package, it will take long time. So let me be confined in today's series. Okay, let us start. Everybody come to the kneeling position. Yeah, it's like simple cat stage. As you keep practicing, just we are going for the soothing massage of the spinal cord, spinal vertebra, and of course the spinal nerves. Okay. Yeah. The feet apart, your knee apart, just equal to your shoulder width. Ensure hands are erect. Look in front of you, just 1 meter ahead. Inhale and gently bring your head, neck, and the upper portion of your spine upward. Try to lower your low back as much as possible. Try to look at the ceiling, feel the gentle massage and the soothing pain throughout your vertebral column. Exhale. Look at your navel, trying to bring up your low back as high as you can. Contract the perineum, squeeze your buttocks. That is just like the adoption of Moolban. Squeeze your buttocks inward. Feel the stimulation at Mooladhara. Inhale and come up. Look at the sling. Retain the breath inside. Exhale. Look at your navel. Bring up your back, middle back as high as you can. Squeeze your buttocks. Contract your perineum. Inhale and come up. Look at the sling. Hold the breath inside. Feel the soothing massage to your throat, neck, and the thoracic part of your spine. Low back. Inhale and look at your navel. Contract the perineum. The stage of outer breath retention. Very good. Now fix the right hand and once look at me. That is another practice. You need to raise your left hand and left leg. Right? Ensure to look in front of you. Change the leg and hand. Inhale deeply through nostrils and raise your. Again, repeat same practice by left hand and right leg. Change. Very good. Now we are going for tiger pose. Again, this is very beneficial to prevent and manage the low backache. Bring your left knee closer to your chest. Again, inhale and straighten your leg and bring up off. Try to look at the sling. Retain the breath inside. Don't touch the ground by your toe and feet. Balance your leg. Try to touch the left chest by your left knee. Inhale. Now same practice by the right leg. One more time. Very good. Yeah. Bring your hands towards your back, interlock your fingers. Again, we are going for the stimulation of cranial and sacral nerves. I feel good to say this is the yogic posture and practice to stimulate cranial sacral nerves at a time. Inhale and pull back your hands with breath retention. Inhale and come to the center. Look at the sling. Push back your both hands with breath retention. Feel the pressure on your throat, neck, thoracic portion, the lumbar part of your whole spine. You can go for bull bandh at the same time. Excellent. Yeah. Bring up your hands and try to hold the elbow side of the hands by the different palms of the hands. Okay. Go for lateral twist. Try to ensure your both buttocks are touching the ground, and twist just confined to the middle portion of your lateral torso. Inhale and come back to the center. Inhale and come to the center. Once more. Go for left lateral stretch. Ensure your both buttocks are touching the ground. Feel the stretch on the middle portion of your lateral torso. Inhale, come to the center. Very good. Interlock your fingers, the palm facing front side. Exhale and go for Uddan Bandh and Mool Bandh. Again, stand on your knees. Very good. Again, come to the position of cat stage. Now, inhale and bring up your right hand and try to raise it at the 90-degree from the plane of ground. Okay, once look at me and try to look at the middle finger of your raised right hand. Hold the position with inner breath retention. Exhale and bring down. Same practice by the by the right hand again. Left side. Very good. Next step, once look at me, you put your left palm on the back of your head, that is occipital region. Once look at me. Try to raise your elbow as up as you can, but just look laterally, not up. Start. ऊपर नहीं देखना, देखना सामने है. Yes. आप ऊपर करने की कोशिश करिए. And ensure there is a width of approx 1 feet in between your two knees. Okay, next side. So now hold your body weight on the right palm and the feet of two legs. Raise your left hand and look at the middle finger of the left hand. That creates a sort of balancing. Again, very good for spinal health. Change the side. Very good. Next step, once look at me. Inhale deeply. Bring up your left leg as high as you can. Exhale and bring your left knee closer to your chest. Don't touch the ground by your feet. Once more. Very good. Change the leg. Very good. This practice may be content indicated to the patient with back pain, but warming and the back opening for you all, right? You have to cautious to teach for the patient. Okay. Next. It's like Parvatasana and Bhujangasana. Very good. See, if you look at the patient of backache, they may have pain in the supine stage, they may have pain in the prone stage. You have to diagnose first, right? So, we are going for the very important step that can be practiced by everyone. See, is come to the prone position, and your hands extended towards your hips, palm facing downward. Inhale and bring up your head. Try to look at the ceiling. Exhale and bring down. Once more. Inhale and bring up your head. Retain the breath inside. Try to look at the ceiling. Exhale and come down. Now, your hands folded from the elbow and the feet and the forearm on the ground. Inhale and gently bring up your head, neck, chest by fixing elbow, forearm and the fist on the ground. Once more, inhale and bring up your head, neck, the chest and the upper portion of your abdomen. Try to look at the ceiling, retain the breath inside, enjoy the slight pain and gentle massage to the thoracolumbar portion, throat and cervical section of your spine. Exhale and go down. Now, bring your folded right hand on your back and inhale and bring up your left hand and right leg simultaneously. Next side. Very good. Now inhale and bring back your both palms, interlock your fingers. Inhale, look at the sling, push the hands back as much as you can. Try to look at the sling, retain the breath inside. Very good. Now, just bring the both palms just beside of your respective shoulders. It's like Sarvasana. Okay. Very good. Now we are going for Salavasana, that locust pose. It may have two variations, and that's up to your convenience, what you prefer to practice. Okay, inhale and raise your straight left leg as high as you can. Hold it there with breath retention. Exhale and bring down. Inhale and bring up your right leg in straight position. Feel the full stretch throughout your right leg. Retain the breath inside. Hold it here. Hold as long as you can. Exhale and bring down. And now, the same practice by simultaneous raising of both legs, right? Let us start. Once more. Excellent. Now, bring your both palms, interlocked palms, just below your chin. Look at me. Yeah. Do you need relaxation? No? Okay. Yeah. Inhale and bring up your head, neck, the upper portion of your front torso. Look at the sling. Retain the breath inside. Try to erect your both legs. Enjoy the gentle massage and slight pain at the low back side and the throat and cervical portion. Put your head on the crossed finger. Once more. Inhale and come up. Very good. Now bring your both palms just beside of your breast. It's like cobra pose. Inhale and gently raise your head, neck. Try to look at the right heel. Try to look at the right heel from the side of left shoulder. Ensure your both legs are straight. Inhale and come to the center. Exhale the left heel from the side of right shoulder. Inhale and come to the center. Exhale and relax. Put your forehead on the ground. Once more. exhale. Very good, fantastic. Now I am going for the beautiful steps of supine spinal practice that is very crucial for backache. The most effective and optimal one is being demonstrated and presented at the last. It is, I think, 19 steps. You look at me, I'll not be able to see you in supine position, right? Ensure you have learned good and you will practice good, okay? Once come up to the base position as me. Let's go for lateral stretch. Inhale and bring up. Inhale and bring up your both stretch hands. Look at the sling. Very good. Inhale and come up. Stretch. Now we are going for semi-standard stretch. Again, it's very good for back pain. Yeah. Place the left foot just beside of your left knee. Inhale and raise your left hand and try to hold the right foot and place the right palm just back of your right buttocks and go for semi-spinal twist. Try to look as back as you can. Ensure your left leg is straight, stretched. Inhale and come to the center. Now place the left foot just beside of the right knee. Inhale and raise your right hand, give full stretch and try to hold the dorsal portion of your left leg. Place the left palm just back of your left buttock and go for semi-spinal twist with exhalation. Very good. And you come to the cross leg position, Padmasana. Okay. Inhale and raise your right hand. It's like Gomukhasana. And bring back your left hand. Try to interlock fingers of both hands. And try to bring your right elbow just back of your head. Give a stretch. Enjoy the slight pain on the upper portion of your left hand. Next side. Very good. I will skip the Ardha Matsyendrasana. That may not be the preferred one for the beginners, especially those who are having the back pain. Okay. One more practice. It also stimulates the lower portion of the spinal nerves, and you oftenly say Tulasana. Inhale and come out. You can hold it for 1 minute and you can put your tongue, tip of your tongue on the palate. I have already told you several times. You can go for a spontaneous practice of fixing throughout your routine walks, throughout your routine yoga practice. Now I am going to the supine position to practice the 9-10 very crucial steps of spinal care. Some of them might be practiced by you but I'm not sure. You might have practiced them at entirety. As I'll do, this is not my proud and ego, but this is the reality. I know. Okay? When you lie down, don't lie like this. Rupa, you are here. No. The way of lying down directly is, prohibited for you. Always prohibited for you. Okay? So the way to lie down, this is the position. Okay? We have the man has learned this practice from the elephant. Right? The big body of elephant is to be settled down in lying position through this way. This is the. अभी तो आपको मुझे देखना होगा. If you lie down as me, you will not see the steps. But I want to teach you specially, and that is equally applicable for the children, for the teens, adolescents, the person with early adulthood, geriatric person, everyone. The series of these spiral practices is allowed to everyone unless otherwise. In case of surgery, maybe the serious health problem, right? Okay, let me practice first. Let me show all these steps one time. You need to practice every steps at least 5 times, right? Ensure to practice 5 times every day. And if you will have the back pain, then report to me after 7 days. After 7 days. I am sure you will realize the benefit after 3 days, but I want to keep the limit of 1 week if you have any back pain. Once look at me, consciously learn and go for the practice. The hands, inhale and come to the center. That is first step. You have to go for 5 times left, 5 times right. This is first step, okay? Second. This is second step. Again, you need to go for 3 to 5 times left and right. Right? Third step. Place the right heel in between the big toe and the second toe. This is third step. And now this is the fourth step, but very important, very effective. When you go for lateral twisting, inside, your both shoulders are touching the ground. They should not be lifted, right? Inhale and come to the center. This is fourth step, very effective step. Now fifth. Fold your both legs from the knee and try to create the separation of 1 foot in between the respective buttocks and the heels. And look at me. The knee of left leg just touching the heel of right leg, right? This is the optimal separation to be maintained. Inhale and come to the center. This is fifth step? Fifth?
Yes, sir.
Now sixth. Inhale and come to the center. Yes. Now we are going for seventh step. You might be little oriented and acquainted with this step. Torso and the neck. Inhale and bring up your leg at 90 degrees. Exhale and bring down. Inhale and bring up your left leg. Hold it at 90 degrees. Feel the stretch out your left leg. Inhale and bring back at 90 degrees. Hold it at center. Exhale and bring down. This is step 8? 7. Okay, very good. Now, we are going for the 8th step. Now, bring closer your both feet, heels together. Try to touch the respective buttocks by your adjoint feet. There is no change in the position of hands throughout all steps. This is step 8. Now 9. This is also called commonly gluteal stage. Next. And you can practice by another way, by putting the hands, by putting the wrapped fingers in the outer portion of your shin bone this way. You can raise your hand, you can put it on the ground, that is optional. The targeted stage should be on your gluteal portion, okay? Same practice from right side. And hands again at the 90 degree. You can go for supported stage like this. Yeah, right heel on the upper border of your left knee. Exhale and try to touch the ground by your right knee. Change the leg. And the last step, adjoin your both feet, knees. Bring the adjoined knees closer to your chest, towards the breast, and go for the twisting. Now, lose your whole back and go for rolling like hers. Now the last one is the spinal pose. To properly align your spine, I think I have to teach 2 more steps, okay? I have to practice this way. Next side. Final step, that is for spinal alignment. Yeah. Feet together. I am not sure my body is at 100 degree or not. The body should be straight. You are looking at me and you are the people to ensure my proper alignment, right? I cannot see myself. Exhale and bring down. Yes. Next side. And finally, come to the Makarasana. It has two variations. If you want to give the stress to your spine, this one is good. If you want to induce the relaxation, this one is superior. Fantastic, right? So that was the sequence of the spinal care. Do you understand? And keen to practice? Okay, lie down by facing your head towards dais. Yeah, hands at 90 degree. Step first, feet together. Join your two feet. Inhale and go for twisting. Both legs left, neck right. Palms facing upward. Inhale and come to the center. Exhale and go for twisting. Sakshi, legs straight. Inhale and come to the center. Now second step. Bring your left feet. Wrap करना है आपको. Yes, this way. Yeah. Inhale and go for right twisting of your legs and the left twisting of neck. Sakshi, wrong. I think this is good. दूसरी side, change the leg. Very good. Now come to the center, inhale and come to the center and place your right heel in between the left big toe and the first toe. Inhale deeply at the center, exhale and go for the left twisting. Nidhi, ensure your shoulder is touching the ground. It's not lifted. उतना ही करिए जितना आपसे होता है आसानी से. श्वास भरते हुए बीच में चेंज द लेग. Exhale and go for twisting. Inhale and come to the center. Yes. Now place the right foot on the left knee. Place the right foot on left knee. Inhale deeply. Exhale and go for twisting. Nidhi, you are lifting the left shoulder. It should be as it is on the ground. Inhale and come to the center. Again, place the left sole on the right knee. Inhale deeply at the center. Exhale and go for twisting. Ensure your right leg is straight. Hands at 90 degrees, extended laterally. Inhale and come to the center. Yeah. Bring your folded legs from the knee closer to your buttock. But there should be a gap ऑफ 1 फीट बिटवीन हील एंड बटन। आपके हिप्स और हील के बीच में दूरी होना चाहिए, और आपके दोनों नी के बीच में भी दूरी, आपके नीच के बीच में भी दूरी रखी है, फीट के बीच में। यस। अब दाएं पैर के को उठाइए और बाएं घुटने के ऊपर दाएं घुटने की या ऐसे रखिए, या और ऊपर ऊपर रखिए, ओवरलैप करना है। या हाँ, यस साक्षी, दिस इज गुड वे। उसको दी popliteal, I have to say in anatomical term popliteal, right? और popliteal को और घुटने के ऊपर रखने की कोशिश करिए। कौन सा पैर ऊपर है? दायां। श्वास भरिए और श्वास छोड़ते हुए घुटने को दाएं तरफ, गर्दन को बाएं तरफ ट्विस्ट करिए। साक्षी, दिस इज रिवर्स। I think this, yeah, this is good. Inhale and come to the center. Change the leg. Go for same practice. Inhale and come to the center. Yeah. Again, take the same position. No. या पैर थोड़ा आगे करिए, थोड़ा आगे, फीट और पैर के बीच में, हील के बीच में दूरी, और आपके दोनों घुटने फीट के बीच में भी दूरी। ठीक है? यस यस, या दिस इज गुड। इनहेल डीपली एंड एक्सहेल, गो फॉर ट्विस्टिंग। कोशिश करिए आपकी एक पैर का घुटना दूसरे पैर के हील तक लगनी चाहिए, हथेली अपने स्थान में। इनहेल एंड कम टू द सेंटर, exhale and go for twisting. Inhale and come to the center. Yeah. Now legs extended. Inhale and gently bring up your right leg at 90 degrees. Hold it there and go for twisting with exhalation. Inhale and bring it back at 90 degrees, hold it there. Exhale and bring down. Inhale and bring up your left leg. Retain the breath inside, hold it 90 degrees. Hold it at 90 degrees and go for twisting with exhalation. Inhale and come to the center. Again, hold the leg at 90 degrees. Exhale and bring down. Excellent. Now, bring your both heels closer to your perineum. Fix them there. Again, adjoin your both knees. Exhale and go for twisting. Inhale and come to the center. Exhale and go for twisting. Very good. अब आप श्वास भरते हुए बीच में आइए और दाएं पैर के टखने को हील कर बाएं पैर के जंघे के ऊपर रखिए। बाएं पैर फोल्डेड। यस। निधि थोड़ा ऊपर रखो, पैर को ऊपर घुटने की तरफ। नो, थोड़ा ऊपर घुटने की तरफ। यस। हील लगना, एंकल लगना चाहिए, आपके थाई में एंकल लगना चाहिए। दिस इज हील नॉट एंकल। नो, यस यस, थोड़ा और पीछे और इधर लाओ वहाँ पर। यस। और दोनों हाथ से बाएं पैर के सीन बोन को पकड़िए, बाहर से पकड़िए, वो ज़्यादा अच्छा है। हाँ, बाहर से। यस। श्वास छोड़िए और खींचिए। दोनों हाथ से, नो नो, वहां से सिनमोन को पकड़िए, बाहर से, ऊपर ऊपर, थोड़ा ऊपर, थोड़ा ऊपर, यस, पुल, वेरी गुड, exhale and go to the usual position, change the leg, yes, very good, release. Now bring your yes, I think we have come to the final step. I think there is one more step. Yes. No, no, just to add. You can practice this by two variations. Yeah. Okay. दोनों पैर के एडी को मिलाइए और पेरिनियम के नजदीक में रखिए, हाथ 90 डिग्री में रखिए और दोनों घुटने एक तरफ, गर्दन एक तरफ, श्वास छोड़ते हुए ट्विस्ट करिए, श्वास भरते हुए बीच में, श्वास छोड़ते हुए दूसरी तरफ, श्वास भरते हुए बीच में, और दोनों एडी को जमीन से उठाइए, just bring up your both heels and bring the adjoined knees closer to your chest, closer to your breast, and go for lateral twisting. श्वास छोड़ते हुए, inhale and come to the center, exhale and go for reverse twisting. Very good. Inhale and come to the center and extend your legs. Come to the supine position. Okay. Turn left. बाएं हाथ को तकिया बनाइए, बाएं तरफ हटाइए. सिर मेरे तरफ करेंगे सारे लोग. करबट. ऐसे हाथ नहीं करना, तकिया बोल रहा हूँ. कोई स्टेप आपसे नहीं करा रहा. चलो वही करना है तो कर लो. अभी फाइनल कराना चाह रहा हूँ. एक स्टेप स्किप कर रहा हूँ, राइट, दैट इज इंटेंशनल. ओके. श्वास भरिए और दोनों पैर को एक साथ 180 डिग्री के एंगल में उठाइए जमीन से. इनहेल एंड ब्रिंग अप योर बोथ लेग्स एट 180 डिग्री. अंगूठे को बाहर की तरफ मत करिए, साक्षी अंदर की तरफ खींचिए. यस. रिटेन द ब्रेथ इनसाइड. यदि इतने ऊपर नहीं, पैर एक साथ, जस्ट होल्ड इट देयर. पैर थोड़ा पीछे ले जाओ, बैक की तरफ. यस, नाइस, ऑलराइट. होल्ड इट देयर. एक्सहेल एंड ब्रिंग डाउन. चेंज द साइड. Inhale, place your left palm on the lateral side of your left buttock. Inhale and raise your both legs up as much as you can. Go for dorsiflexion. Hold it there. Feel the balancing stress throughout your spine. With the heels together. Exhale and bring down. And come to the Makarasana, facing towards me. Feet apart, feet apart, feet apart, toes pointing outward. Yes. This is a good way to practice Makarasana. Yes. See this girl. Yeah. Toes pointing outward. This is very relaxing. You can practice this pose especially during menstrual cycle. Most of the girls and women feel backache, stress, and I think the menstrual period for most of the women is bothering, disappointing, and this is very good pose to adopt for relaxation and to sort out your low back pain. And you can practice this as long as you can, that's up to your convenience. Enjoy it. And if you need more relaxation, just wrap your both hands and put your forehead on that. Go for deep breathing through your nostrils. You can go for meditation, visualization, concentration, that's up to your convenience. Okay? सब लोग बाएं तरफ आ जाइए। जैसे आप जिस तरीके से आप लेटे थे वैसे आपको वापस आना है। जस्ट कम बैक टू द सिटिंग पोजीशन बाय फॉलोइंग द वे यू लाई डाउन, फेस टुवर्ड्स मी। दैट वाज द complete sequence of spinal care. I feel this is very effective to prevent the psychological disorders, the spinal problems, and as reported by Wellness Council of America, if we practice the series of postures every day, we can be safe from the musculoskeletal problems. And as I told you earlier, that is not energy consuming, this is not tiring, this is not disappointing. You can practice this even at your bed. Ensure the ground is plain, and as I told you, that is equally applicable to the practitioners of any age. Unless otherwise, this is very good posture series for health promotion. Again, you need to synchronize your alignment, somatic action, breathing pattern, and mental awareness at a time to benefit it more. So, still we do have the part of pranic exercise, but due to time limit, let me confine hereby. Please come to the meditative pose as me, maybe in lotus pose, maybe in Swastikasana. I feel Swastikasana very good. I don't know if you practice or not. This is the way to practice Swastikasana. Yeah. This pose is most pleasing. Why? You cover more surface area when you will practice the Swastikasana. And I feel this is too much comfortable. And let us go for the 7 times chants of Om, visualizing your psychic centers, just starting from Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddhi, Agya, and Sahasrara, and feel the resonance, the subtle resonance of this primal sound at the psychic centers subsequently. Close your eyes. Swadhisthana. try to feel the subtle resonance of this divine chant throughout your existence. Physical body, astral body, causal body. Entire existence energized, tranquilized, full of peace, energy, divinity, and love. And just chant the mantra of universal peace and harmony with me. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaः Sarve Nirāmaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaśyid Dukkhah Bhavet. Just repeat after me. Oh, just repeat after me. Exactly, this is the prayers. This is the prayer of three bodies: physical body, mental body, and the causal body. Om Tamasho Ma Jyotirgamaya Asato Ma Shatgamaya Mritorma Mritam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Namo Stanantaya Sahasramurte Sahasrapadakshishirorvave Sahasranamne Purushaya Shashvate Sahasrakoti Yugadharine Namah Sahasrakoti Yugadharine Namah. Rub your palms, give gentle massage to your face, head, neck, chest, the navel, your back, your both hands, both hamstrings, whole leg. Again, cover your eyes by your hands and open the eyes, smiling at your hand center. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Good night. It was really auspicious day. I think this is my final practical for you people, and still I feel the company of today's will be touching and the memorable for you and me. Thank you very much. God bless you.